Foggy weather may look calm, but on a construction site it changes the level of risk immediately. The biggest problem is reduced visibility. When you cannot clearly see what is happening around you, judgment becomes harder and mistakes become more likely. For a crane operator, visibility is critical. In fog, it becomes hard to see the load and where it needs to go. Once you start guessing instead of seeing clearly, lifting becomes unsafe. Fog is most dangerous when visibility drops to the point where you cannot clearly confirm the load's path or maintain visual contact with your signaler. If you are lifting while guessing, that is already unsafe. Crane operations depend on precision, not assumption. And this is very important. Sometimes personnel on the ground may want the job to continue, especially when there is pressure to meet deadlines. Some may not fully understand how much visibility affects crane safety. But as the crane operator, you carry the responsibility for that load and for every person beneath it. If weather conditions compromise safety, you must refuse to continue. Saying no in that situation is not being difficult. It is being professional. However, fog does not always mean work must stop completely. If visibility is still clear enough to see the load, the landing zone and surrounding hazards, and communication is strong and confirmed, operations can continue carefully and at a controlled pace. The key is simple. The moment visibility forces you to rely on guesswork instead of clear, sight, and verified communication, that is when you stop. Thanks for watching Rab's Crane.